How to register your account on FLO app? The FLO app is a popular period tracking and fertility app designed to help individuals monitor their menstrual cycles, track ovulation, and manage various aspects of their reproductive health. In order to create account or register your account on FLO app, you just have to open the FLO application. Make sure you have installed from any Play Store or App Store on your device. Then after that, you have to agree to the privacy policy and terms of use. So you need to accept all these privacy options. So check mark these small boxes and tap on next button. So here you just need to answer, are you using FLO for yourself? If you have a partner code, you can tap on no, I have a partner code button and continue, or else you can tap on yes button. Choose the option how did you know about this FLO application, or you can tap on skip at the top right corner of the screen as well. And here select your birth year. Once you have done that, tap on next button at the bottom of the screen. You need to answer here if you are pregnant. So here are different kinds of options. What suits you, you need to choose here. Then after that, here you need to tap on next button again. And here you need to set up your FLO. So tap on let's go and tap on continue. Then after going through all the steps, you just will reach or get access to the section where you need to register here. So you can continue with Google or you can also continue with email. So let's tap on continue with Google and select our Google account. Now let's tap on continue button. So you have been successfully access to your FLO account page where at the top left corner you will see your account. So in this way you can easily register your account to FLO app. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.